Welcome back to Casual Fitness Seekers. Today we'll be reviewing our kettlebell workout for lower body and core that will take you about 25 minutes to complete. This routine comprises of 4 rounds that vary in length and are made up of 6 exercises per round. Doing this workout, make sure you engage your core throughout each exercise. The first exercise is the kettlebell swing that will work the hamstrings, quads, and glutes, traps, delts, and abs. So with this, once you grab by the horns, you want to drive your hips back and allowing the kettlebell to swing between your legs. Engage those lats and do not let your arms lift the kettlebell. It's all momentum. You'll be doing a hip hinge. Keep your back straight and do not curve your back. And remember, while you're keeping the core engaged, keep the weight in your heels. The second exercise is goblet squat that involves the hip flexors, your core, your quads, glutes, abs, calves, hamstrings, and lat muscles. You can hold the kettlebell by the horns or you can hold it at the bottom. So keep the kettlebell up high and keep your legs shoulder width apart. And keep your weight in your heels. Have your knees pointed out, don't let them bow in. And do not rest your elbows on your knees at the bottom. Followed by a third exercise, the seated leg raise that will have you using your core primarily, hips, lower abs, hamstring, quads, and glutes. You want to be leaning back slightly with your hands placed behind you. And you want to engage your core and then you want to lift your legs over. You can let them rest or you can keep them up. You want to remember, while lifting up your legs, you want to exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down. Then moving on to our fourth exercise, the burpee that will alternate knees, which is a full body exercise that will strengthen your chest, shoulders, legs, hips, glutes, and ab muscles. With your feet about shoulder width apart, you want to squat down. And once you get down to your squat position, you want to go into a high plank. And then from here, kick your legs back up. And once you're back up to the standing position, you want to touch your right elbow to your left knee. And then your left elbow to your right knee. That's one. So it looks like this. Rounding out our routine, we'll have our fifth exercise around the world that will be using our muscles of our biceps, thighs, traps, abs, glutes, hamstrings, lats, triceps, shoulders, lower back, and quad muscles. You want to have your feet about shoulder width apart. You want to grab the kettlebell by the horns. And you want to position the kettlebell around about navel, link between your navel and your grind, and start to orbit your body. Going from left to right, right to left. Handing off your kettlebell at the horns to the other hand. In the rear, in the front, or you can go left to right. While performing the exercise, keep your body braced with soft knees and not bent. Our sixth and final exercise is a stabilizing one, the marching plank, in which we will be targeting our core, triceps, lower back, glutes, and shoulder muscles. You want to get in a regular plank position, and then all you want to do is just alternate lifting each leg. You want to keep your core braced while doing this. Lifting one leg at a time. And do not lift it way up or slightly off the ground. This workout can be done 2 to 3 times a week, and like our previous workouts, It is fully customizable, so if you want to add more rounds or reduce rest time, it's completely up to you. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on one of our social media platforms that's on Instagram and Facebook. If you want to get your hands on some of our merch, just go on over to casualfitnessseekers.com. Make sure you smash that like button, and so you don't miss on any of the upcoming videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button that should be floating around about right here. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we post. So until next time, Casual Fitness Seekers out.